Series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily chart. If you look on my channel on the 13th of December, we also went over this chart. We had a pocket of potential support, but it did not hold, so we're looking for a much deeper pullback with this one. Looking at the history of this chart, I did find a 3-price relationship against 380, 381. Price currently pulling back into this pocket of potential support. I like to see if it can give us a bounce back to the upside. On the hourly chart, price is currently trading below the 200 moving average. You can be a little bit more patient with this chart. Make sure price can clear above that 200 on the hourly chart. We may just settle in here around this range over the next couple of days. Now, if price does get back up above that 200 on the hourly, then consider positioning going long, add into more of your Home Depot position, but you still need to set your stop loss below this pivot low. Of course, none of this financial advice. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.